it's ready. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. There's but the thing I came in. Start at 8:30. Yeah, no more. There's another time. Oh, the important thing is the final. That's the final. And the final? No. It's good. There's no hard mistake. But if you have prison, but I would require you to put the final. Okay. Okay. Ben, laro ka? Yan. Steven. Yeah, if you are swimming through it, because my son also has he drives now. Yeah.
Oh, I asked Darren, David.
Alright.
We are in I will put him in Trinity.
Wow. I'm not sure, but he said that it's only part time because he attends summer class.
No problem. Whenever he is available,
Okay. Yeah.
that's how part time like he will give me like which day he's free. And those days I'll pick him up.
I think he will give you his.
I will talk to him. Okay.
Nandito ka ba o alis ka?
9:30.
That's right.
And then we were starting that.
It is good.
It is like that.
Umuwi yung referee. Iba siguro yung dalawa, no? 8:30. Si ano, baka pwede tumulong. Si JC. Baka pwede tumulong si JC. Pag-iusapan natin. Yeah.
Hindi, dapat tulog tayo.
Yeah, pag umalis ka.
Hindi na, Jeff.
Bulacan.
Second game, reminder guys, second game. Uncle Division, our Tito team. A battle between the Maple Leaf and the Centurion. So, same as always. Reminder lang, our kids, just look at, what do you call this, attend to your kids, just attend to your kids.
Ayan, kumain rin pa rin.
Same as always, referee's decision is final.
Nat!
Please respect the
Nato!
referee's decision.
Nato!
And let's keep it clean, guys. Let's keep it clean and fun.
Yung wala sa...
Outside the court, they're all brothers. So just have a good game, guys. Good luck to both teams.
Huwag mo lang lagyan ng ano.
And
Huwag mo lang lagyan
playoffs pa rin ba?
Game 1, best of 7. Huwag mo lagyan ng game. Pero papirmahan mo lang.
And just a reminder, it's playoff time.
Best of 3.
Best of 3.
Game 1.
This is our game 1 of best of 3 series for our Uncle Division. Best of 3 between the Maple Leaf, Team Maple Leaf, and Team Centurion. Just a reminder, guys, we are already on the playoffs, okay? We are just waiting for one more referee, and we're going to start the game, okay?
Wala ba yan ang maple eh?
Ano yung baseball? Home or ano?
Oh, home na. Okay na?
And of course,
Yung wala.
before everything else, a quick shout out to our title sponsor. Without their support, this league won't be possible. Quick shout out to our title sponsor, Taco Boys. Carol Costro has thank you for supporting the league. And our secondary sponsors, of course, Liza Lori, White House Kitchen, 812 Market Time Fashion, and the better property. Thank you everyone for supporting the league. Thank you, thank you. Ano yung Maple Home?
Sino si Paul Carrera?
James, your number 2. Greg, what's your number? 91. Please.
Bro!
Abner, please. Ano number mo? 71? Si John, ano number? 4? Mike, 14 ka, di ba? 14. And a reminder to both teams, take off your bleeds, please. Take off your bleeds, guys. Okay? To avoid any accidents, take off your bleeds, wash it, set yourself ring, e-ring, and whatever type of plate you're wearing, okay? Take it off. You can give me, I can hold it for you. Let me get another one. Ready to?
Gimay! man, sa ninyo, wala nang di mga hangin.
Wala ka po yung sakit nila.
Wala na may mulipid sila. Wasan mo yung practice. Ha?
JR, JR. Tapos si Jay, Yes, ano naman ulit? 28 ka, di ba? 20. Si Alan naman mo. Alan, what's your number? 21?
Oh, yeah, you should be here. You may want,
Dito kayo siya.
Yeah.
Alan, sige.
Very busy. You can go to long like every Sunday.
Well, we still have pickup games, but no more like this. It's nice to, have to.
Ano oras ba? 8:30 ba tayo? 8:30 ba?
Nandiyan ang referee.
Oo, pero wala pa. Okay. We normally we're still waiting for one more referee, guys. We'll let you know if we're gonna start. Ayan pala.
Ayan na.
Home.
Oh, muna.
How are you, sir? I can recognize you with the beanie.
I know.
Bundo.
Good to see you.
Guys, we're gonna start right now. 5 minutes, warm up, 5 minutes, warm up.
Lalaro ba si Terence? Lalaro ba siya, no? Si Paul?
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Ha? Kaya naman ito, award natin. Awag mo sabihin. Huwag mo sabihin.
And just a reminder, guys, to everyone who came in tonight, thank you for supporting your own team, your boyfriend, your husband. Thank you. And just a reminder, please attend to your children, please attend to your kids during a live ball to prevent any accidents. Please attend to your kids para iwas aksidente tayo. Wala tayong special self-service ang pagpunta sa ospital. Self-service ang pagtakbo sa ospital, ha? Reminder.
Sinong home niyo?
Maple Leaf, the scoreboard is home. Centurion, scoreboard is yes. Home kayo. Ay, yes kayo, yes. Yes kayo sa scoreboard. Yes kayo sa scoreboard. Maple Leaf is home. And just a reminder, this is the game one, best of 3 series. We're already at the playoff. Best of 3 series between the Centurions and the Maple Leafs.
Maple Leaf
So good luck to both teams, okay? Let's keep this fun. Yes, sir.
Welcome to the 2026 FPL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our bold sponsor.
We're gonna start it with you.
Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with DXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FPL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen pin.
Let's go! First one!
Get back here, season pros.
I believe it's out about. Let's go!
We're gonna try and get that basketball.
Okay. Oh, if the ball hits one of the out of bounds. Just a reminder to both teams, we have a side basket. If the ball hits one of the side basket, it's considered out of bounds. Okay? Let's go! Pasok kagad si Ben. Mamadali. White team will control the ball. Tiko na yan, tiko na. Let's go! Mike! Set it up! Mike! Oh, that is a steal from Eric! Eric! From way down low, Eric! Back with the rebound! Back with the spin! Back with the jump! And the net! Jeremy with the rebound! To James! James! To John! John! John with a 3-point shot almost! Eric with the rebound! Eric! Very nice, very nice! Very nice, James! James! James bringing in the rain! Early in the game! And a foul!
Time out lang stop.
Out, all ba? Out. Foul. Number 3.
2-0.
Oh, Ben?
Jet.
Yes, there's personal versus foul. Edison, wide open shot, Edison! game by Edison. Eric, kick out to Kane. Kane again! Kane again! And a miss. Right on to the rebound. Oh, nice steal! Nice team rest with the back. Bernard! Bernard! To Eric! 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 And a miss! Point to the top of the judge!
You play basketball or
Jeremy, first personal. First team now.
Bernard!
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 Bernard attacking! Yes! Jumbo! Offensive violation called, the ball will go to the white team. 33-point lead by the Centurions. Mike guarded by Eric. Mike setting up. Mike lost it. Ayun di pala. The ball will stay with the white team. Mike to James. James wide open. Rebound by Ben. Ben to Eric. Eric setting up. Take again. Wide open. James. And the ball will go to the white team. Nice hustle by both teams. John, guarded by Ben. John with a cross. Kick out to Edison. Edison to James. 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 Out of bounds! And the ball will go to the black team. Nice defense for the black team. Eric to Bernard. Bernard guarded by John. Bernard to Ben. Ben. And Ben. James. Edison. Eric attacking. Eric with a cross. Eric, no good. John with the rebound. John with a three. John, no good. Rebounded. Bernard trying to get
Five points.
James, first personal. Second team foul. Substitution. Cyril going in for John. Cyril the destroyer going in. Yes, sir. And that free throw shot is brought to you by Taco Boys. Frederick is located at Mike Street and Trinity to reach. Bernard again! 2-2 from the free throw line, Bernard. Cyril attacking! Traveling violation! Whoa!
Second day. Yeah, we have fishing tomorrow.
Bernard!
5.
James, second personal, 13 foul, Maple Leaf, with 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Bernard. Supply. again by Taco Boy. Edson to Mike. Mike, guarded by Ben. Mike attacking. Mike, drop pass to Jeremy. Jeremy! Shot for Jeremy. Kane again. Kane. Ben. And again. 4.3 the Centurions. Tyree again. And again. Big block. That's a big block. No good. Come on, get him in. Come on, get him in. Edison to Paul. Back to Edison. To Jeremy. To Mike. No good. Very nice. Eric, wide open. No good. We don't have a stretcher. Paul to Mike. Mike attacking. Mike, no good. Again, very nice again. Very nice. Paul, no good. Paul to Tyree. Tyree. 2.6 na lang. 2.6 na lang. No good. Jet first, a second personal Jet, second team foul. Hey. Tyree to Mike. Mike, guarded by Ben. Mike, nawala! Ayan, Mike! The first quarter! Centurion leading by 4 points! That's from both teams, nice hustle! Grabe! Napaka-intense ng body natin. May mga sakit na puso dyan ha. Wala tayong stretcher. Tandaan nyo yan. Self-service tayo sa hospital. Yung mga yung mga anti-pressure nyo. And again, a big shout out to sponsors again, of course, support our local businesses, Taco Boy, Fredericton, Nice Anomi, My Town Kitchen, 8 Land Work of Halifax, Acevedo Property, and Equipment Rentals. Let's go! Let's go! Start of the second quarter. Shout out pala kay shout out to Gerald Tandong. Shout out to Gerald. Hindi ka na naglalaro, pre. Namimiss ko na yung bandana mo, pre. Namimiss ko na yung bandana mo, eh. Hindi ka na naglalaro, pre.
Time.
Allen guarded by number 15. Allen! Oh! I think there's a block there again. Allen! Kick out the big side! Eric! Number 15. Number 15, looking for target to pass. 15 is to Greg. Greg, with a fake. Greg kick out. Fire, no good.
25.
Alan, kanina.
Vincent, double team. Pada saat nak, weh. Fourth quarter lang, fourth quarter. Out of zone! Fourth quarter lang, fourth quarter. Last 5 minutes. John, to James. Oh, it is a screen goal. 15-meter screen, John. First personal, John. Alan, to James, right open again. James, wait a minute. Keep moving down. Ball to the rebound. That's up by Paul. Ball on the way, Paul. Good, no good. Alan, the rebound. 6-point lead in favor of the Centurions. Alan on the way. Alan. 91, Greg, the first personal foul, Greg. Second team foul. Alan. Jump ball. Timeout, Black team. Timeout, Black team. And this timeout brought to you by Taco Boy Corporation, Rice and Lowry, White House Kitchen, 814 Teleback, and the Metal Property Equipment Rental. Our team, you still have one timeout left. And again, thanks everyone who came in tonight to support the OT. Thank you. And kids, thank you for behaving, kids. Just watch your daddy play, okay? Let's go! Let's go! Nada tumayo, promise. Nada tumayo, 40 na.
Award tayo sa ankle division. So,
Masyadong intense yung game. We have a very low scoring one game tonight. It means the both teams are giving it the best defense. Paul, to Greg, shot, Greg, no good. Ano ba yun? That's a miss, Greg. Alan, Eric, and the way to keep. Kuya Latong, first personal. First shoot foul.
Walang shot clock ha, walang shot clock. Fourth quarter lang.
Shot clock natin, fourth quarter lang, Ryder. Shot clock natin, fourth quarter lang. Last 5 minutes. Bahala kayo, sabi kayo dyan. Greg, Jordan by Allen. Greg attacking. Greg. And the beat to Paul. To Brian. No good. Paul. No good. Get the ball. Get the Allen. And the ball will go to the lacking. Jet. Nathan to Allen. Allen. Aaron. To Jet. To Nathan. In the mid. Rebound by Paul. To Greg. Greg with a cross. Greg looking for someone. Backward violation. Backward violation. Wala na. Tayo tayo. $5. Kaya ako. Wala. Allen, double G, Aaron, and the drop pass to Nathan. Nathan, G, no good, Aaron, Substitution kami. Number 11. Ayun si Paul. Paul, first personal, Paul. Third team foul kay Paul. Nice shot by Aaron. James with the rebound, 1 of 2 by Aaron. James, no good. Rebound dead. Keep Allen. What a three! Wala pala yun! 2 points lang yun! 2 points! Wala na yun! 2 points!
2 points.
Yes!
Report sa report.
Time out! 20! Time out! 20! Sino yung nag-hold kanina?
Nice defense. Boys, we gotta keep our hands up.
Rep! Sino yung foul?
Rep.
Rep! Who's the foul? 31. Okay, thank you. Alan, first personal, second team foul, Centurion. Let's go! May dalawang shooting partner, di ba? Diba? Jeremy to Greg, trying to take Nathan to James to Paul, to John. Kuya Nato, second personal, third team foul, Centurion. Dali, sasab. To John to James. No good. We have a 9-point lead. Last 2 minutes. Second quarter. Bernard, in the mid. No good. Rick. Paul. John. Way down, John. What a shot by John. That shot came from Donald personal foul. Waiting for penalty. Waiting for penalty. Yes, sir. Bernard. And a minute. Oh, hey, over the winner.
30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Yeah, we win.
17.
Medyo nahirapan din ako sa Jeremy Bong. Bernard.
Bernard.
Oh, that's right. Edison, the first personal penalty na. Okay lang.
Palihog niya kung picture din. Send lang. Will award
And that is the end of the second first half. May labada ako pre, kung siya sinala ko lang, sabi ko, babalikan ko nahanap na ako. That is the end of the first half. The Juniors leading by 7 points. And
Rebellion.
I see the car. I don't see outside. Nice meeting you.
I always wait outside.
I'm going to receive $50 certificate and trophy from Taco Boy. Congratulations! Goal! Karate! Where's Paul?
Proxy na lang, proxy.
Trophy.
I just went to the toilet.
Congratulations, Paul!
We'll just wait.
Here it is like, master blaster. I think they are doing combination of points, this rebound. Yeah.
Paul! Congratulations for the game 2023. Walang mga kamay dyan, Paul! You will receive $50 cash and a trophy from Taco Boy.
Thank you. So we have a season MVP, we have a final MVP, we have Mythical 5 and Championship. June. Now we are in May. Already happened. So it runs 6 months. okay. Stand release. Eugene! Tawagin mo Eugene.
Sorry. Oh, let's go now! May mga maglalaba pa! Let's go! Start of the second half! Ayaw nyo pa? Wala ko isa. Ano ganyan? Let's go! Let's go, third quarter! And a Paul! Congratulations, Paul! Season MVP! Okay, passer ka na! Sino ba? Si Chico, si Fleur! Si Chico. Good evening. Congratulations sa Blip Season MVP! Ay, sana po
Okay. Go.
Let's go! Bernard! Kane! Baylor! A run, the big guy! And a foul! Jeremy, sino ba si Paul? Paul, second personal foul. Kami, oh, si Jeremy pala, sorry. Jeremy, second personal. First team foul. Aaron is the most free throw shot. Who's the young free throw shot? Edison, James. Oh! Nice pass to my boy, and he blocked. Yes, Aaron. Backward violation, and the ball will go to the white team. Grabe yung bilis ito ni JR. Paul to John. John setting up. John to the cross. John attacking. John. And a foul. Nice foul. JR first personal. First team foul. John! John again! 2-2 from the free throw line. John! Nice shot, John. Bernard! Nakawala! No good! James in the rebound! John again! John to the shot! Aaron in the rebound! Eric! To Bernard! James! James, Eric! Wide open! Eric! No good! Rebound it! James!
Sub.
Substitution! Keith going in for JR.
Four pass, please, 3 balls.
Bernard. We have a 6-point lead in favor of the Centurions. Keith, no good. Substitution! Bernard, guarded by John. Bernard, James, Eric, right to keep. Keep Bernard, wide open. Bernard, no good. Forward to John. John to the face. John to the shot. John, no good. Rebound to David. Eric, Steve, let's go, run! 1-3, Tyree, substitution, go in. Yes, substitution. Tyree, first personal, second team foul. Baseball. Grabe, nakas ko na. Piling ang mga baseball league. And because of this, Tyree. No good. Page to the rebound. Nice defense by the white team. We have
Dead ball.
8-point lead, Centurion. James. Edison, no good. Mike, no good. Bernard to keep. No good. Sige na. Edison. James, no good. Bernard. To keep.
Oh, no, 11.
Substitution, 11.
Paul.
Second personal, first team foul, Maple. He's shooting for 2.
Lumaya sa score.
And that free throw shot is brought to you by Capo Boys. Frederickson located at Mike Reed. And that shot again is brought to you by Capo Boys. Frederickson located at 3.
Gamiling!
Foul.
Wow, 2-0. Jet, foul.
Jet, first personal. Second team foul.
Hindi pangunahan yung referee.
2 minutes, 54 seconds remaining. Oh, nice steal! Let's go! Nice defense by the white team. No good. And the ball remains with the white team. Substitution.
Hindi nga. Hindi pangunahan yung referee. Have a Kit Kat. Up. 2-0.
Jetta! Fourth personal foul. Why ka Jetta?
Pasok yung pangalawa, timeout kami sa third.
Mike shooting for 2.
Pag hindi na pasok, timeout.
Pag di pumasok, timeout? Pag pumasok, timeout?
Pumasok kay Mas.
Busan team.
Nice shot by Mike. What a super official line, Mike. Centurions leading by 9 points with less than 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. What a intense game! And for everybody else, of course, I would like to thank Taco Boys for supporting the league. And to everyone who came in tonight, the bosses from the Maple League as well, thank you for coming in tonight to support the team. Let's go, let's go! Just a reminder, guys, wait for the referee's call. Wait for the referee's call. Wait for them to make the call, guys. Keith, Jet, back to Keith. Keith, Jet, oh, and this, yeah, nice rotation.
Double technical. Double tech. Double technical.
Guys, easy lang tayo, easy lang.
17 and 13.
Easy lang. Ahead of outside the court, we are all brothers outside the court. Guys, sandali lang. Wait for the referee to let the player in. That's why there's a referee. Wag yung pauunahan ng referee.
Okay, stop.
Wait for the referee's call. They are here for a reason. Pag kayo pasok dyan, makabuntis kayo.
Double technical.
O, double T yun, double T.
Personal. Ben, tumbling, foul. Double zero.
Ben, first personal, waiting for penalty. Centurion. Mike, matake. Oh, nabusot! Nice shot. Bernard, nice shot na kaya. Bernard, release. And the ball will go to the white team. Wait for the referee. Done. Sorry, guys. That is the end of the third quarter. We are down to the last quarter. Centurions leading by 9 points. Maple Leaf very closely behind. And bago takiin sa puso ng lahat, masyado kayong high blood. High blood kayo lahat. May mga trabaho ba kayo bukas? Bakit nga kayo? Guys, just a reminder, guys. At the end of outside the court, we are all brothers, okay? I know the game is intense, but just don't get it under your skin. Okay? We are all here because of the love of the game, okay? Just a reminder, guys. All right, last quarter. Last quarter. John. Greg, trying to take Eric. Nice defense by the black team.
Referee mag-decide ng shot clock.
Siren Rivers. Eric to the rebound. Eric running. Eric, Aaron. The power of Aaron. Mike, and a foul. JR, second personal. First team foul. Huwag kayo masyado maingay, may bunte. My first free throw is good. Second free throw is good. And that free throw shot is brought to you by Taco Boys of Fredericton. Our title sponsor, 2026 FPL. Yay! So good. Ilan ba? Siya pa rin, ano? Still a 9-point lead by the Centurion. Greg, to John, way down there, John! Allen, step back! Allen, no good! Mike, trying to set up. Mike in the cross.
Foul.
31.
Allen.
Oh, Allen, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ready. To Greg to Mike. Mike, guarded by Allen. Mike, no good. Aaron with the rebound. Aaron. Nice shot, Aaron.
Tapa ko pag ganap.
Mike, John.
Nice! Tapa ko, tap.
Execution. JR, third personal foul, JR. JR, third personal, 13 foul. Centurion. Foul!
Bernard!
Eric! Keep Eric! Keep up the game! That's Eric! Oh! Nice hustle by Eric. Great try to take it. Nice hustle defense by both teams. And a foul. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Centurions warning for penalty. Bernard first personal.
When you shout penalty, it means that you're asking us to stop.
I say warning for penalty. Sorry. Warning for penalty kayo Centurions. Wala kayo dyan. Edison. To Jeremy, to John. Oh, nice handling by John. Oh, nice handling by John.
Edison.
Edison, second personal. First team foul. Maple. Pag nakapasok kayo sa mamaya, Mike, isin na yan. And that free throw shot is brought to you again by Taco Boy Frederickson. FPL title sponsor for 2026. 2025-2026 is our game. Oh! Mike! Nice defense for the black team! Heat! John, got it! Mike! Mike! Oh! Napaganda kayo pa! Ayan, 18 na! Bernard! To Eric! Eric! To Ben! Hey! Nice ball! Rotation! By the black team!
Eric.
Rebound by Jeremy. Mike, no good. To Ben. No basket. Reminding that both teams have 2 timeouts. Substitution. Ikaw, please, substitution. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Edison to James. Oh, the block! That's a block! That's a big block! The ball will go to the black team. Nice defense from the black team. Eric, oh, what a block by Eric! And one!
White side 5.
Substitution. Go in.
James foul.
James, 14 foul, James Apatan. Second team foul. Four personal foul, James. And that free throw shot is brought to you again by Taco Boy Frederickson. Yes, sir! 2 of 2 for people. James! One! To Mike! Wide open! Mike! No good! And the ball will remain with the white team.
relax, para pahinga. Huwag ka naman There's no jump lang. There's no jump lang. Nice one.
Allen, David.
Good.
The ball will remain in the black team. Eric. Bernard, back to Eric. Eric again. Eric. Oh.
Ben,
bonus shot. Centurion already on penalty. Bonus shot. Ben, second personal, Ben. Penalty na kayo, Centurion, sa... Ball! Substitution now, Ben.
Ben. Apa yung mo ba nora?
And a foul. Okay, James fouled out. James has left the building. Bernard, yes sir. Wala pa kayo lang si John para kay Bernard? Ano naman yun? Wala pa kayo lang si John? Ayun!
Pag pumasok, sir, time out. Pag pumasok, simula. Yes!
Ewan with the rebound. Bernard again! Bernard! And a foul again!
Fouls on white side. 2 goals.
And the third personal running for penalty, Maple.
Oh, 24 goal. Consume the time. We're still leading 12 points.
Yes, sir! That's it, girls. Follow you again, my Capo boys.
So, ikaw mag-control.
Yan, i-cross muna natin dito.
Ikaw muna.
Bernard again!
Pumasok.
It's fired! Tyree the destroyer! Oh, traveling violation! Goal!
Time out.
Tabas! Black team!
I-cross natin muna.
White team, you have 2 timeouts left. Black team, you have 1 timeout left. And of course, quick shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boy Federation, Rice and Lowy with the SUELG, Vital Kitchen, 8140 Cadillac, and the better property of Super Metros. And for everyone who came in tonight to support their own team and the house fans and white fans. Thank you. Yari na ba ako? Ano ba yan? Let's go! Grabe, ang baba ng puso. Ang ganda ng defense ng parehong team. Sakit ang mga katawan nyo niya mamaya. Akala nyo Ang sakit ang katawan nyo yan. Good luck kayo bukas. Change to Bernard. Bernard. Bernard, to James. James with a fake. James with a shot. James and a miss. Oh, Eric with a rebound. Eric with a rebound. Bernard to the cross. Bernard all the way. Bernard to the miss. Oh, James with the rebound. James took the shot. No good. Bernard again. Bernard. Nawawala ang depensa na baseball. John! John! Arrow with the rebound. Over the net. Careful, guys. Guys, careful. We don't have a stretcher in the house. Careful, guys. You have work tomorrow. The bosses are here. Don't forget.
Bonus.
Yeah, the bonus shot. I didn't know this. Thank you. Bonus shot. Both teams are penalty. Ay! Ang sakit ang katawan mo mamaya yan, Bernard.
Hindi pwede. Ganila yan. Hindi pwede.
Bernard! Substitution! Ingat lang, pre. Ingat lang. May trabaho ka bukas. Greg, to Paul, our assistant MVP. John, looking for someone. Found Brian. Nice defense by the black team. And the ball will go to the black team. Okay. JR the team. JR to Eric. Almost. Eric! Oh, that's not about. Ball will go to the white team. Seventeen white team. Eric. Ryan. Edison. No good. Eric. Deep. Oh, nice defense by Greg. To Paul. To Brian. Edison. Right open. No good. King with the rebound. Eric. Last 2 minutes. Substitution. Guys, pakibilisan yung stop. Ball. Allen, no good. Oh, nice defense by Keith. Keith with the steal. Keith on the way. Keith with the way. Whatever I know you done tonight, Keith. Edison with the basket.
Boss yun.
And again, quick shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boys, Glenn Saloni, Vital Kitchen, 812, Mortgage Halifax, Azevedo Property, and Agriculture Rental. Edison, tapos! Di medyo tinamaan yung bola. Eric, to Vincent! Vincent! Itira mo na, Vincent! Allen with a shot! Allen, no good! One with the rebound! John again! John! Keeping the ball game alive! John! No good!
Yes! Relax lang po na siya, no? Carinado! Gusto! Gusto!
Greg! Paul! He's on MVP! No good! Vincent! What a game by